Forno Appliances introduces the 24-inch Romano Espresso dishwasher. The sleek black finish operates at a quiet 52 decibels, ensuring peaceful cleaning. Pro-style handle provide both durability and a stylish appearance. The spacious stainless steel tub features 3 racks and an additional silverware basket. All 3 racks are removable. One rack is adjustable in height. There is ample loading flexibility from utensils, to large wine glasses to large dishes and pots and pans. Equipped with 7 distinct wash programs and electronic controls with a sleek LED display. Delay the start of the washing for up to 24 hours. The air exchange system refreshes the interior every 2 hours to prevent odors. Features a hidden drying element for a double drying system with both heating and fan drying for thoroughly dry dishes. The stainless steel filter is easily removable for easy cleaning. Interior automatic light when door opens. The Forno Romano dishwasher also comes with 2 sets of handles, stainless steel and antique brass, allowing you to customize the look to match your kitchen decor. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.